Hi, welcome back to my channel. This is the Queen Phoenix. Today we're going to make this small rose here. You will need a pair of scissors, darning needle, your crochet hook, and of course your crochet wool. For the small one, you're going to make a slip stitch and you're going to chain one. I am going to chain, you make 31 chain stitches. I'm going to do my 31 off camera. Once you have your 31 stitches, you're going to chain 5 more. So I'm keeping my finger on the 6 on this last stitch. 2, 3, 4, 5. You're going to go into the stitch, the last stitch, which is the 6th stitch from the hook, and you're going to make 1 double crochet. This counts as, the 5 chain count has 1 double crochet and 2 chain. Now you're going to skip 2 chain, 1, 2. You're going to make a double crochet in the 3rd stitch. You're going to chain 3 and 1 double crochet. So I made the mistake here. It's the 5 chain count has 1 double crochet and 3 chain. You're going to do that again. Skip 2, make 1 double crochet, chain 3, make 1 double crochet, and you're going to continue that for the rest of your work. At any time you can stop this video, pause this video, and use your 2 fingers to expand the video if you're on a phone, and I will meet you right at the end here. You will see that these are called V stitches. Your last V stitch is worked in your very last chain stitch. Chain 2, 3, and 1 double crochet, and that's your last V stitch. Now chain 3 and turn your work. In your V stitch space where you have the 3 chain, you're going to work 5 double crochet. So that's 2, 3, 4, 5. Now you have a space between your V stitches. In that space, you're going to work 1 double crochet. In the next V stitch, you're going to work 6 double crochets. Three, 4, 5, 6. In the space between your V stitches, you're going to make 1 double crochet. In your next V stitch, you're going to make 8 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In the space between the V stitches, you're going to have 1 double crochet. Right, you're going to continue making your 8 double crochets in your V stitches until you get to the last 2. Don't forget, in between is 1 double crochet. So now is the time to pause the video. I will meet you on the second to last one. Thank you. Okay, this is how your work should be looking. So for the last 2, you're going to make 10 double crochets in your V stitch. So that's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. in your space, remember the space between the two V-stitches, 1 double crochet, and in your last V-stitch, 10 double crochets. Right, so you'll have your last V-stitch or 10 double crochets, chain 1. Now leave a long tail, a nice and long tail, because we're going to stitch those rows together. So you will start where you have your 3 chain stitches and your 5 double crochets. Just move that tail, and you're going to just start rolling it up. Doesn't have to be perfect, just roll. Not too tight, not too loose. Yes, this does take a bit of time to get used to. This is the one thing I battled with when it came to this rose. If you can see, I'm also holding the underneath, and I'm holding the top together, and I'm hiding this tail in the work all at the same time, pushing it down. Right, here we go. There we go. Right, now I'm just going to use this crochet hook just to secure it just a bit, and I'm going to thread this needle. The catch here, when you sew it together, you're going to have to go through all the layers. Can you see? I hope you can see my stitches at the back, because nobody's going to stay this, because you're going to use it as an applique. So you can put as much stitches as you want to hold your work in place. So here we go. I'm just going to quickly stitch mine together. And I'm going through all those layers. Because I don't want this coming loose when I eventually sew it on something. And I'm just going to turn it a bit more. Push my needle directly into the center. And go over like 1 chain stitch to where you started it. And I'm going to push it all the way through. And I'm not pulling tight. Gently. Can you see in between there? Right in the center? So that's it. Thank you so much for watching. When you do try this, please tag me in the video. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you think. And do enjoy the rest of your day.